Hello, math friends. Today we're going to continue with our activity from yesterday. So we're going to be reviewing the box method for multiplication. And yesterday, you all solved a problem like this, 15 times 13. And this is just one student work example I grabbed. The student showed her work, so she put the 10 in the 5, and then the 10 in the 3, and she multiplied in the boxes. She added up for a total. Other students also chose to write on their notebooks and take a photo. That works great. Whatever makes sense to you, that's the easiest for you to show me your work. So let's review the steps. First, break down the numbers. So in this example, 37 becomes 30 plus 7. 20 becomes 20 plus 0. And I know that because of where those digits are in the number. Then we put the numbers in their boxes. So we have 37 and 20. And then we multiply. And one thing I noticed yesterday was people were getting a little confused about which numbers to multiply. So remember, you're multiplying these outside numbers times each other, because these are the numbers I want to multiply. So for this box, I would multiply the 7 and the 0. And it sounds silly, but this is what I do. Take your 2 fingers, start on the outside, and go find where they meet for where the box is. I know, it's silly, but it works. And then you add up your answers. So those are all the answers that you found inside your boxes. And today I want to teach you that you can do this with any number of digits. So this is a 3-digit problem. I have 837 times 41. This is a 3-digit by a 1-digit problem. So I have 562 times 9. So you just set up your boxes with however many digits you have. If I had a lot of free time and I was kind of bored, I could do this with a 10-digit number, and it would still work just the same. A key thing is to pay attention to the number of zeros. So for instance, if I'm doing 40 times 800, first I have to think 8 times 4, and that's 32. And then I see my 1, 2, 3 zeros. So it's 32,000. Wow, that's really big. Let's make that smaller. So I gotta check how many zeros there are and count carefully, double check. So that's it. You can do this with any number of digits. Now remember, when you start a word problem, you summarize it, ask yourself what are the units and quantities, and today I'll actually give you the math question, you don't have to think of it, and then answer in a full sentence. Some of you guys forgot that yesterday. So today we'll be working on the same problem, but different questions. One of the groups, and I'm sorry, I don't remember who it was, said that graduation is a time when people buy a lot of flowers. So today I wrote 2 problems for you about graduation. In the first one, the flower shop near school sells 9 dozen roses on graduation day. So already in my head, I'm thinking, okay, 9 dozen roses. So that's telling me where to look in my problem. And the question is, how much money will they make? Question number 2. Miss Sherry is buying flowers to make graduation leis. So those are these things with the flowers that you wear around your neck. For all the 5th and 8th graders. She needs 120 dozen lilies. How much will it cost? And here's a little hint for when you answer in the full sentence. Look at the question. So in number 1, it says, the flower shop near school sells 9 dozen roses on graduation day. And then here's the question. How much money will they make? So I can just turn that around and say, they will make dollars. And I should include the unit. So that's all you have to do to find your sentence frame for the answer. Not too bad, right? So it's really similar to what you did yesterday. Just make sure you pay attention that the questions today are different. But just like yesterday, show your work, answer in a full sentence.
What's kind of cool about the